Welcome to my channel. Today let's watch Timneh African grey parrot. It is a subspecies of the African grey parrot native to the forests of West Africa. They are smaller in size compared to the Congo African grey parrot with a darker charcoal grey plumage and maroon colored tail feathers. They are highly intelligent and sociable. These parrots are popular as pets due to their ability to mimic human speech. They are very affectionate. These parrots have a varied diet consisting primarily of fruits, seeds, nuts, and vegetation. In the wild, they form strong bonds within their social groups and communicate through a variety of vocalizations. Thank you for watching and wish you a good day.